service, he also was very humane and friendly. I recall he was a link officer for one of the departments where I was joint secretary. I was trying to reach out to him through the landline and connecting it through PS. So he said, "Why are you wasting money? Why didn't you give through the intercom?" I thought that was one of the very positive things that I learned from Mr. Janel Singh. And I also recall that after my stint in government of Andhra Pradesh, I was going to NIRD. So the rule back then was to go back to the cadre and then join the other place, the new place of deputation. So I sent a word, I sent a letter allowing me to join directly because it's unnecessary expenditure on part of the government. And also I also lost a bit because at that time in the Northeast, we were allowed to take the whatever extra amount even without taking our family, something like that. But then I asked him, and at that, and Mr. Janel Singh, as he was always, he just straight away said, "Join karna, main dekh lunga." And then the orders came some 2 months later, but that's the way Mr. Janel Singh was. And of course, at that time, I must also remember Mr. P.L. Thanga was in charge chief secretary when I was posted during the height of ethnic clashes in Chorachandpur district. The kind of guidance he gave me before going there was very important, and it helped us also to solve the ethnic clashes problem in the district during that period of time. And of course, coming to Andhra Pradesh, I think Mr. Krishna Rao is here. So so I was in TRNB department and he was commissioner of police. So we had a lot of, sir, you may or may not recall, sir, but we worked a lot to see to it some things got eased out. The extra bridges which came under the rail linear, the rail lilium and all was during that time. I think we worked with the railways at that point of time, so I remember that. And Deepak Panwar sir was the energy secretary when I was director personnel in Singareni Collieries. Always fond memories. And with Janaki Kondapi ma'am, it was, we had daily interface either directly or indirectly. I was not actually working with her, but for about 15 days when my superior was on leave, she was my superior at that point of time. But she was also, those of us who are those of you who are from Telangana or Andhra cadre know the importance of OP, office procedure. She was handling OP at that point of time, so the interface had to be there. So, and of course, I must mention, I'm not sure whether Mr. Gokhale actually belonged to your batch, so the inspirational models, it belonged to 68 batch, but probably had training with 74 batch or 73 batch. So not 74, okay. And certainly Mr. APVN Sarma. His contribution has been immense. In fact, when I joined Singareni Collieries, if there was one person who made a tremendous reputation and was an inspiration to all of us, he has turned around the company from a BFIR level to a profitable company. Mr. Sarma was very, very instrumental. And of course, before joining the service, I was in Dhambag incidentally on that day when Mr. Randeep Arma was shot. And at that point of time, there was a lot of inspirational stories about Mr. Randeep Arma. And I must tell you a personal angle also. Mr. J.P. Murthy is my first cousin, and Asha Murthy, of course. So they're my first cousins. So I'm very happy that you're all here. And we wish that you keep coming individually or together. The academy is there for all of us here. And almost incidentally, with your coming, the first newsletter of the academy has come out. It will be there in the website. I'll ask Akanksha and Romeo to share the link with all of you. It will be some kind of a reconnect which we'll be having every 3 months. I'm really very happy that you're here. You please tell us what else, and we hope to continue to meet you not only in this formal forum but also as we go by. Thank you so much and wish you a very pleasant day.